For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello and welcome to News9 Digital. I'm Prajwal D'Souza. You must be aware of the Tiananmen Square incident where student-led protesters asking for democracy and free speech were brutally cracked down by the Chinese armed forces. This incident came to be known as the Tiananmen Square massacre. The Chinese army, or commonly known as the People's Liberation Army, comes under the direct purview of the Chinese government. The Chinese army is also a strict disciplinarian. There's no place for desertion in the army. If any soldier deserts the army, he'll be punished very brutally. What are these punishments? The first punishment is that the soldier will be treated and will be branded as socially discreditable. I'm not even kidding. The Chinese government has a list where it will brand the soldiers who quit the services in between as socially discreditable. Now, once you are branded this way, you can't travel abroad, you can't buy real estate, you can't buy insurance. Now, this punishment will go on for a period of 2 years. The second punishment is you won't get a job as a civil servant. Now, once you're out of the army, you must be thinking, let me try to switch careers. But there is no place for you in the government. You won't be ever hired as a civil servant. Now, this, of course, is a lifetime punishment. The third punishment is your military status will be changed. Now, once you're out of the army, your military status will be changed to rejection of military service. Now, this is a very serious issue and there's a huge stigma attached behind this in the Chinese community. Now, once you're branded this way, the Chinese people will always look down upon you. The fourth punishment is the soldier can't go back to college. Let us think a soldier who did not graduate and enlisted in between to the army, and he has now quit the army and is punished. He can't ever resume his studies. Fifth punishment is you won't receive any sort of preferential treatment. Now, this treatment will of course be given to all the armed forces and the ex-servicemen who will retire from the army. Now, you won't get any preferential treatment as you're branded as socially discreditable and you will be always punished. Now, you have to pay a fine of almost 3,20,000 rupees and a further reimbursement fee of 2,30,000 rupees for the training you received. Now, it doesn't matter even if you did not complete the training, you have to pay the reimbursement fees. The seventh one is you can't start any business. You must be thinking, I'm out of the army, I don't have a college to go to, let me start a new life and maybe start a new business. But the Chinese government and the Chinese army will make sure that you won't be able to start business in China. The eighth punishment is you will be publicly shamed. Now, this has been common for people who are flouting rules in China. Now, when you are a soldier and you have quit the army and you're branded as socially discreditable, you'll be publicly shamed across all the platforms. You'll be publicly shamed in newspapers, you'll be publicly shamed even on televisions. This, of course, has a serious stigma attached to it and people will always look down upon you. You must be thinking, I'm exaggerating all this punishment. No, and let me give you a real life incident. Zhang Mukong was a student who chose to enlist in the Chinese army. He was a very bright student. Mukong later understood that he cannot adapt to the Chinese armed forces. He wanted to quit. Although other troops tried to convince him and asked him to stay back, he was adamant and he chose to quit. Unfortunately, Mukong was brutally punished. His life almost came to a standstill. Although the Chinese Armed Forces service is voluntary, soldiers who quit the service will have to face serious repercussions. In comparison with the armed forces in US or maybe in India, where you have a choice that if you want to quit, you don't have to face any major repercussions. But for the people of China, that is not the case. If you like this video, click the like button, comment down below and tell us what you think about these brutal punishments share the video and subscribe to News 9 on all the digital platforms. Thank you for watching.